So guys, I don't know if you can see me, but I'm done shooting.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in
Are you
mine.
hungry? Oh my baby, you're so
We
hungry.
wanna chase the
Oh, hi.
night. Wanna be free of this heart.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, guys. This is going to be like a day in my life vlog, guys. I've been down for like I think 2 weeks now. I haven't even tried to like record anything, and it's almost April. So guys, I plan on doing like 30 days content challenge in April. I'm not so sure, but I just want to try it. I don't know because of kids and everything, but I really want to try and see if I can actually achieve this. So I want to like do my hair today, like prep, because I know that one thing that is like affects me from doing videos is when I'm not looking good, most especially my hair, guys. If my hair is not done, I'm always looking somehow, and I don't really like how I used to look when my hair is not done. So I want to make my hair, I want to do my nails, just look good for the month of April so that I can be back to work. And also guys, I just noticed that this weekend is the Muslim festival period. So to get someone that is going to come over to the house to come and make my hair might be a little bit difficult, but let's see. And I'll try my luck and see if I can just get something done. Guys, the last day I made actually pull out all my edges. The last Ghana weaving. So I don't want to do Ghana weaving. I don't even know the hairstyle I want to do. Maybe I'll just do like a protective style for my edges. I'll check Pinterest to see if I can get inspiration on that. And also guys, I'm trying to eat healthy now. Guys, let me show you the size of my postpartum belly before we even start all these things. I don't know if you can see me, right? I hope so. So this is the size of our postpartum belly, guys. So this is the size of our postpartum belly, guys. It's reducing, and I really want to start eating healthy now. Most especially, we are 3 months postpartum already. My baby is 3 months already, so I think I can start with exercise and some little things at first. And I have so many things planned for the month of April, but today we are starting officially. It's not yet April, guys, but just like prepare myself for the month of April. Today I'll be cooking for my brother-in-law. My brother-in-law is around, so I want to like prep what I'm going to cook for him tomorrow because he's coming tomorrow. Also, I'm going to make my hair, so do some maintenance care or something like that, and plan myself for this content I want to like do. So yeah, so I want to start this series. It is called Starting Over. So I'm starting all over. Instead of opening another YouTube channel, I'm just going to like revamp my page and make it look the way I actually want it to look. Because guys, don't let me lie to you, I just upload some videos just because of uploading sake, and I think not even think, I know it's not supposed to be like that, but because of I really have time to like film, edit. Guys, right now as I'm talking, I have to lock my 2 babies in the room with their nannies so that I can have the time of my life to record this video. If not, I won't have the time. But I'm just trying to see how I can actually combine everything together, and yeah, I'm making it look so good. Yeah, that is what I want to do. So I have so many things I want to do today, apart from even planning. I have to pack some others also. But yeah, I'll take you around the journey together. We're going to go through this together. But before that, let me start my first video. So I want to record my starting over video. Like, it's going to be like a sit down and talk video. I've actually set where I want to use. Yeah, this is where I want to use for the video, but I think I want to like change my location. I've been using upstairs and I noticed that the lighting there is not that good. I won't lie. So I want to try and use downstairs to see if I'm going to achieve what I want to achieve. So that is that. Let me keep quiet now and start the vlog. Guys, I don't know if you can see me. I'm using this my baby's music something to do like a background light. I hope that makes sense actually. The struggle is real, but what if I'm working? What if I'm a salary earner? What if I have to stand up every day, take care of my kids, take care of myself, go to work, come back by 5 p.m? Will I quit? I just finished shooting my very first intro, like for starting over, like starting the series over again. What am I saying? So guys, I just finished shooting my very first video of the starting over series, and guys, my husband is hungry, so I have to go and cook for him, and I will use that to be brainstorming on the next thing I want to do. I'm actually thinking if I should change my outfit, but that is going to take a long period of time before I change outfit and everything. So maybe I will just use this outfit for the second video. But what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to upload this video like digger. So I'm going to upload maybe like when it's like middle, so that it's not going to look like all same. I don't know if you get what I mean, but that is what I want to do now. So I want to cook for my husband. Do you want to cook with me? I don't think you should do that. I don't want to be carrying the tripod around while cooking. It's just a very quick meal, just spaghetti. Communicate with your partner. Let him know what you're passing through. You can't communicate with not saying anything. The best way to communicate is with our mouths. So guys, I don't know if you can see me, but I'm done shooting. And I don't know if you can hear that. So they are praying already. I have another video to shoot, but guys, I noticed that my energy level is going down. I don't want to force it. I have done 2 videos today and I'm not mad at it. And this is actually another video because I'm vlogging. So guys, I'm not mad at it. So I think I'll just call it a day. So no more vlogging for me today. Maybe tomorrow, guys. I noticed that if I don't do makeup, I tend to be more productive because of the minute I will use to do my makeup, one video is already done. Unless I want to do like a makeup related video, that is when I'll be doing video for my videos, doing makeup for my videos, guys. And also I used to say that if I have a very clear skin, I might not wear makeup because I love makeup and still don't like makeup. Let me explain myself. I mean that I love wearing makeup. I like the fact that when I wear makeup, I used to have this confidence. But guys, look at my skin. My skin is not that bad. So why am I trying to hide it with makeup? I don't see reasons to hide my skin with makeup anymore. I use makeup mainly because of if I have rough face, like when I'm not looking to like pimples, black spot and lights. But my face is currently getting better and I think I'm loving it. So I don't see any reasons to be wearing makeup because I have a clear skin now. Do you see my skin? Have you seen my skin? Yeah. Anyways, my husband is eating currently. He's eating in the kitchen because I'm using the dining table to record. I want to go and join him now and see if I'm going to eat from him. Eat with him. Does that make sense? Yes. Guys, I saw this easy breezy top in my wardrobe and I remember that. So I have this. I don't know. This is so easy because there is it in this country and with this, ear can enter me. Do you get? So that's just that. I want to first of all go and eat because I've not eaten today and it's currently 1:30. You can be hearing that the Muslim are praying already. So It's already 1:30, so I want to go and eat now. Then I'll pack the order I want to do, and we'll do every other things. I'm expecting. I think I might go out because I wanted to buy Ori. I want to send Ori to Dami, and I don't know, today's Friday. Seriously, I've been working. I don't know how I've been. This whole week has just been so fast this week. So I promised to send her Ori, and I don't have Ori, so I have to go and look for where to get Ori from. Bring her. Oh my lord. Mama. Hey mama. Choo choo. I don't know. Do you know the song I'm singing? I don't know that song. All these Jerick songs. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Are you hungry? Oh my baby, you're so hungry. Oh my, she's hungry. What do you want to eat? Do you want breast milk? Premium breast milk. She's laughing. You want breast milk? Oh my, you want my breast milk? You want my breast milk? You want my... I'm not giving breast milk because mama is busy. So she came to say hello to us on this channel today. Yeah. Get ready. So guys, I had to quickly rush outside to come and get some stuff. And my baby is actually inside, like she's alone at home. No, she's not alone, but she's with the nanny, but you know, I still feel like she's alone. So it's just like a quick errand. I'm not going to stay long.